Yo, what's up, guys? No Way AFK here again. I'm Alex. Sam, you want to say hi? We're back again with another Raft gameplay video. It's gonna be our second video of Raft. We really enjoyed the first one, so we said, hey, may as well do a second one. So here we are. Got a lot of cool things Sam has planned for us. Sam, what do you have planned for us? Absolutely nothing. So we're just gonna mess around, and hey, we'll see you guys soon. Enjoy the video. Right,
There's no,
fishies.
dude. The ocean is cleaned up, man. We did it. We cleaned the whole of the ocean. There's no more plastics.
Good, dude.
I mean, that's great. Great.
Dude, we solved the world pollution, man.
We cured world. We made world peace, man.
Wow, the shark's actually camping. He's camping.
And don't worry, we got spears now. I'm not scared. If you stab him as he opens his mouth, you don't get hit, and he takes one.
Once.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's swimming away, a little bitch.
We could honestly gang up on him now.
Well,
like for real. Yeah, you just stab him.
I still got hit though.
You gotta time it really well. Now watch. He's gonna come for me. Just watch, dude. Watch and learn. Watch the master.
Yeah, but you have the mask on, so he gets baited.
See that? You see that? I didn't get hit, but I stabbed him in the face.
Should I hop in there with you?
Yeah,
Can we double team him?
Yeah, for sure, dude.
If he bites us, what do we lose?
We don't lose anything. I just hit him again.
Wait, so when he bites us, nothing happens?
We lose health, but you can just eat food to get it back real quick.
Yeah, but what food?
I just hit him again. I didn't take any damage. I'm literally like spearing this guy up. I'm piecing him up, dude.
Okay, this moon, dude, the moon looks way better than the Minecraft moon.
Oh, dude, this moon is definitely more legit than the Minecraft moon, but this game has like 10 times more bugs than Minecraft. Like, Minecraft knows its place, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, that's true. That's actually very true. Yo, I'm gonna be honest. I'm starting to get tired of eating fish. I'm starting to get mercury poisoning. I'm gonna kill these seagulls, bro. Get some chicken nuggets, dude. Oh, I killed him! I killed him!
Okay, keep stabbing him. Keep stabbing him so you get the food. Keep stabbing him so you get the food.
Our boats look a little more spacious now. I just added another row. You're welcome. Oh, thank you. Could be nice, dude. You know,
thank you.
I kind of had PTSD
honestly,
from slaying the greatest threat in the ocean and the greatest threat in the whole entire world. You know, I just 1v1'd and killed it. So, you know, I went through a lot of stress. You figure you'd be a little more thankful, but I guess not.
No, I really appreciate it, man. Like,
we
more
sure
than
have
you
an
could.
odd way of showing it.
No,
so,
it's okay.
what did I do wrong with the stab? It just didn't work.
You did it way too early, dude. You gotta wait. Oh my god. Oh no.
What?
I'm super low. They don't give you any health, dude.
I have shark and stuff on the boat, dude. Water, fresh.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Dude, I have pure Fiji water,
you stay
fresh
there.
from the rivers and the lakes on the boat.
Dude, I
have
the
some
problem is
nice
I don't have a cup.
lemongrass shark with a little fillet on top, a little nice glaze on it, all sitting right on the boat for you, dude.
Wow.
Can we go, dude? How are we getting further from the island when the sail's facing it?
Because the wind is in the wrong direction. You can't sail against the wind, dude. It's like boat 101, dude. Come on. Should know this by now.
Can.
We've been doing this, man.
Wait, so you can only go with the wind?
Yes,
That's useless.
Dude, what do you think sailing is about, dude?
Then.
Dude,
then you're legit just a slave to the ocean. What?
Okay, so that's why they invented the motor, dude. That's why they invented a motor
So let's put a motor on this bitch.
Dude, I don't think we can. Like, honestly. Oh no, we can actually. There are engines for sure.
Bro, you can make a battery out of a piece of plastic. You can definitely make a motor. Dude, when I see a barrel, my saliva glands just salivate, dude. Ugh. How do you eat that? You eat that nasty.
Hell yeah, dude. I just fucking eat tail and all. Oh shit, he's coming for me. I'm about to take one. Oh shit.
Maybe you should have waited a little bit.
We're not going towards the island. This was a bad idea, I feel like.
Yeah.
Cause like I don't have a lot of food, so there better be food on the island.
Oh, he's
like
coming for you again,
shit.
bro. Behind you. Behind you. Oh, you're on it though. You're good. You're Gucci.
See that parkour right there?
Yeah, that was
Straight
actually
up.
kind of dirty. I see you, dude. Wait, can you see me from over there?
Oh yeah, I can
I
see
see you
bud.
by the tree, dude.
I see you jumping. I'm kind. Look, watch the tree disappear.
Dude,
Wait,
his
what?
back was scratched like mine was after last night with your mom, dude. That shit was torn up.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't talk about the shark like that, dude.
Sure, dude. That was too mean of me comparing him to your mom. That was mean.
Yeah, that's,
No one
that's
deserves
a
to
little
be
harsh for you.
compared to that thing.
Dude, that's a little rough, man.
True, dude. True. I was out of pocket for that. I was bugging.
If I,
I was bugging,
you're-
no cap.
you're no capping on a stack.
Bro,
dude.
3
oh, dude, look at
barrels.
this. Look at this shit, dude. Look at my nets. They're collecting mad
Dude,
shit now.
Forget your nets. Look at the barrels.
Whoa, 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 Dude, this shit will collect all those barrels. Oh man, I'm starving again. Holy shit. This hunger thing is getting to be annoying.
Hungry, huh?
It's okay, I ate my mangoes. Oh dude, the barrels, dude, the barrels. Okay, quit drinking water, dude. We don't need water, we need barrels.
I need water.
Dude, what the fuck, man?
What?
One of us gotta swim out there and get those barrels, dude.
Put the raft towards it. You're going the wrong way. No shit.
No, I am. I'm going towards the barrels, but I have full health. I don't give a fuck. Don't jump in.
I jumped
If
in.
I die, I need you. No, don't,
Stab
dude.
him,
Get back on the
stab
boat.
him.
I can't. I'm grabbing barrels. I'm not looking back.
I'm trying to bait him for you. I'm a team player. He's coming after you again.
Nice. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, dude. Oof. I'm gonna die here. You might have to come save me.
I'm in the water for you. Stab him. You bitch.
Okay, keep him on you, because I'm
Hurry,
going for the
hurry,
last
hurry.
one. I'm going. I'm swimming out for this one. This is a stretch, dude.
I can't take any more hits. He's almost dead though.
Really?
Yeah. He's super low. I stabbed him like 5 times. Legit. Don't at me. Alright, he's coming after me again.
Okay.
There's an island. I don't know where you are, dude. You better know where you are.
Dude, I'm coming. I got so much good shit though. This is gonna be worth. Oh, here he comes.
Come
Oh
on.
no, he's going for you.
Coming after you now.
He's coming after me. Oh, dude, I nailed him. He didn't get me.
Yeah, right.
I nailed
That's
him.
cap.
I did. I got him.
That's not a real
Let's see in the
mechanic, bro.
record.
Wow, how do you... Dude, he sped up, dude. Actually cheating.
No, dude, don't fish, bro. We're killing the shark, dude. We don't eat nothing but shark. We have a taste for it now,
True,
bro.
actually.
We don't eat.
Dude,
We don't
I'm
eat little
required
tiny
to
little
taste
fish.
shark. That's actually true.
We don't eat little fish anymore. We eat big fish, okay? Catfish or shark. That's it. I won't take any less. All right, man. I'm going down for another dip. Where's he at? Oh, here he comes. Let's go, baby.
Yo, can we get some better weapons, like an AK or some shit?
Yeah, we should just get like an AK-47. Just
Can
nail him in
can I
the
make, like, a
face.
slingshot or something?
That would be awesome. When that metal's done, dude, I'm gonna give you something that you've been working towards this whole time, dude. Something you deserve.
A PS5?
Oh, dude, better than a PS5. Because right now we don't have electricity, so what use would a PS5 be,
Can we
dude?
make a battery?
Come on, use your head. Use your head, dude. Use your head. Can, but I mean.
Oh! I know. A new e-girl. A new e-girlfriend.
I mean, there's not a lot of women out here on the ocean. Think a bit smaller, man. Think without your dick for 2 seconds. You know, I don't even want to tell you because I'm gonna appreciate it anyways, dude. King must have his throne. All right, get to work, dude. What am I paying you for?
What are you putting from the shark head, dude? Well, get up.
It's my throne room. This is my throne room, dude.
Wait,
you may
get
not
up, so
enter.
you see what it looks like. Wait, you put all the planks just to make it look like you're getting eaten by a shark, dude?
Yeah, that
You
looks
wasted
badass,
all
dude.
these
That looks so badass, though.
this?
You know it looks badass, dude. Dude, we can't even cook the shark meat anymore because we don't have any planks.
Like, to take the picture for it or anything.
No, keep sitting in front of it, dude.
Why?
Damn, because it looks like the shark's coming through the fucking wall, dude. It's coming to eat your face off, but you don't care because you're fearless, dude.
I've killed so many of these
'Cause you're a
things,
fucking
bro.
pirate,
I fear
dude.
no man or shark or amphibian or fish.
That's epic, dude. Oh, days survive 10. Wow, that's
Dude.
awesome.
Let's get a clap for digits.
Hell, dude, double
Hey,
digits, man. Double
talking about,
digits.
dude?
Well, guys,
We came a long way,
this is
dude.
our ship. This is our ship, guys. We got the nets going. We're collecting things. We got automation here. We got the furnace. We got ducky boot.
Oh,
A bit of alcohol for those lonely nights.
Oh, yeah.
We got shark meat cooking out here. Guys, this thing is really coming together. We really made a lot of progress this episode. We really hope you enjoyed this episode. Alex, sign us out, buddy.
Yo, guys, as per usual, had a fun time, dude. A lot of progress, more progress to come. I really like playing Raft, so we'll probably do some more Raft videos in the future. But stay on the lookout, guys. We're gonna be pumping out a lot of videos. But we'll see you soon. A lot of stuff coming. Anything else you would say, Sam?
Stay humble.
Yes, true. Stay humble in defeat and in victory, just like me. Although all I do is win. I do not get defeated. So.